In this video, I'm giving you the most powerful word to attract whatever you want. And especially when you are using law of attraction, you need to remember this word because this will help you manifest anything and everything that you desire. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation, and I'm so happy to see so many magical updates on our videos and on the comment section. So many of you are sharing your success stories, manifestation stories, and especially attracting text and call from your ex or love or the specific person. So many people are sharing your success stories, and I'm so happy and grateful to all of you for your faith, for your trust, and for having this drive to manifest your goals, desires and dreams and being in our awesome tribe. So many of you are manifesting your desires, goals and dreams. There are people who are still struggling, and there are people who are trying different techniques but things are not working for them. And this video is specially for those people. And of course, those of you who are manifesting, it will enhance your manifestation power. Why so many people are manifesting, but again, there are some people who are not able to manifest their goals, desires and dreams? It's because they are missing the key component or the most important thing in the manifestation process, in the success philosophy, in the spiritual world. In every dimension, this one word has the maximum power. And this one word you need to understand and remember and keep it with you, whether you want to attract more money, new job, magical relationship, healing relationship, happiness, or whatever you are desiring. This key word, this key component, this is the key to your manifestation. This is the key to your inner power. This is the bridge. This is the road between you and your dreams, you and that person, you and that job, you and that money. Remember, everything in the universe is an energy, and you are an energy. And when there is this bridge between you, this energy in you, and that energy in that person or that job or that money will be created, then you will manifest it. And to create this road, this bond, this bridge, you have to have one thing, and that is faith. Yes, faith is the key. And why faith is the key? Because when you have faith, it means you trust the universe, you trust the higher power, you trust God, you trust the process, you trust yourself, you trust everything that is visible and invisible. That is why it is said, faith can move mountains. And it's not a new thing. It's the oldest thing. It's the oldest wisdom that all of us has been taught from the beginning of time. And all the wise men, all the successful men, all the enlightened being, all the spiritual teachers, all the spiritual gurus, everyone who is enlightened or highly successful or highly realized in all field of life, all areas of life, they have always emphasized on this one power, one idea, one key, that is faith. Because if your faith is not there, then it doesn't matter how much hard work you will put, it doesn't matter how many things you will try, it doesn't matter how many miles you will go. Because your faith is not there, you never get aligned with the spiritual forces, you never get aligned with your inner being. So you may do lot of work, you may try in everything, but still you don't achieve what you desire. Having faith doesn't mean that you don't have to work. Having faith, it doesn't mean that you don't have to take action. But faith is the primary fuel. It's the primary, it's the key. It's the key that will open the door. So without faith, you cannot open the door and you cannot enter into the hall. Faith is the key that you always have to have with you. That is why, you know what? The meaning of faith. Do you know the meaning of faith? Faith, how do you spell it? Faith, right? Faith means for anything I trust Him. F for A, anything, I, T, trust, H, Him. Or that Him means God, universe, higher power. Faith means for anything I trust Him, means I trust God, I trust universe, I trust higher power, and I trust my soul, I trust my inner self, I trust my dreams. So you have to have faith in yourself, in your dreams, and in the universe. If you have faith in yourself, in your dreams, in universe, in God, in higher power, whatever name you have for the spiritual power, if you have trust in these three things or three people or these three dimensions, then you will start attracting right people, right resources. You start finding solutions to your problem. Things started moving forward. You always stay optimistic. You always have all the energy to do impossible things possible. That is why, my friend, those of you who are manifesting, you check yourself and you will realize that whenever you start doing some process, whenever you start doing that meditation or affirmation, or when you thought about that dream, you have a strong faith that yes, it is working for you and you are getting it, you are manifesting it. And those of you who are not manifesting, those of you who are not receiving that call, those of you who are not able to heal that relationship, those of you who are not able to manifest your dream job, take some time and ask yourself, how do you feel when you think about this dream? How do you feel when you think about manifesting this desire? Think about how do you feel when you want this thing? And when you really dig down and see yourself, you don't have the faith. You want it, but you doubt it. You want it, but you think how it will going to come true. You want it, but you feel that I don't know how is it going to come true. You want it, but when you see other people are manifesting, you still keep doubting and you keep thinking, oh, I don't know how other people are manifesting, but it's not happening for me. All these are nothing but lack of faith. So that's why, my friend, those of you who are struggling, you are missing this key. From now, from this moment, remember, faith means for anything I trust Him. For anything I trust Him, the inner power. For anything I trust the universe, God, my inner soul, my infinite intelligence. Trust, have faith, and see the magic happening in your life, because you have that power within you. You deserve to achieve all your dreams, and that's why you have to have faith in the universe, so that the universe will line up everything for you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If this video has inspired you, let me know in the comment section. And if you got my message, the meaning of faith, then write in the comment section that yes, AJ, faith means for anything I trust Him, or I trust God, or I trust universe, whatever you feel like. Write in the comment section and let the universe know, let God know that you trust Him. Thank you. This is Awesome AJ. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon beside that, so that you won't miss any new videos. Thank you.